Welcome to the second episode of the Karwachauth makeup tutorial, and today we learn a very easy smoky eye look for the festive season. I have already done my foundation, contouring and blusher, and the video for that is available on my channel. The link is in the description box. तो सबसे पहले हम अपनी आँखों में lightest color का concealer लगाएंगे so that the color pops out, and just dab a little loose powder on it. Take the lightest brown shade and use a fluffy brush to cover your lids with the lightest shade available. ये shade आपके लिए base का काम करेगा. Now I've taken a little darker than that shade and I'll color my socket area. एक होता है crease area where you can see the line, उससे ऊपर हमारा socket area है. So I've used the darker brown in that, and now taking again one shade darker, we'll just color the outer corners. So outer से आप inside लेकर आएंगे, not on the complete eye. And remember, ये आप अपनी last lash से शुरू करेंगे. So basically the concept is to create a gradient effect. Smoky eye means there has to be shading. अब हमने ब्लैक कलर लिया है, एंड हैव यू सीन मैंने अपना ब्रश जो है वो और प्रिसाइज और छोटा ले लिया है. सो आई विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द लास्ट लैश एंड बहुत हल्के से वील जस्ट डार्कन द एजेस. कैन यू सी एक ऑलरेडी ग्रेडियंट इफेक्ट आने लग गया है. देयर इज सम शेडिंग, डिफरेंट शेड्स ऑफ ब्राउन मर्जिंग विद द ब्लैक. सो येस, डू दैट ऑन द आउटर कॉर्नर्स. Make sure you blend everything perfectly. Now I've taken a lighter shade in a fluffy brush to diffuse the harsh lines जो कि हमारे eyeshadow के end में create हो गई हैं. And taking a shimmery color on my fingers, I'll just dab it in the first half of my eye. Remember, ये पूरी eye में नहीं लगेगा, just on the first half. And again, using the smaller precision brush and the darker color, I've blended everything together. To make it pop out more, I've used another shade of golden. This is all optional. आपको जैसा करना है, आप चाहे तो matte smoky भी कर सकते हैं. And then ultimately I'm tight lining my eyes. This looks scary, लेकिन इतना scary होता नहीं है. Just pull your eye and create a line over there. तो जो भी आपके आई लैशेस के बीच में गैप है, it will cover that. Now I'm trying to create an eyeliner effect, a smoky, smudgy eyeliner. So this one is not a liquid eyeliner, it's a kajal that I'll roughly apply on top of my lash line and smudge it all together. Since the kajal is a cream product, I will top it up with some eyeshadow to make it smudge proof and look better. So I've taken the brown shade and very gently and softly I top the kajal with some eyeshadow. Now blend everything together, and after this I'm using my favorite MAC kajal to apply it on my waterline. This is a smudge proof kajal and it's one of my favorite. So I'm just using it on my waterline. जो waterline से नीचे है, I'm using a color bar kajal because this one is not smudge free. जो smudge free काजल होते हैं उनको blend करना थोड़ा difficult हो जाता है. So now I'm blending this kajal to give it a smoked out effect. And again, अभी हमने काजल लगाया है which is a cream product. अभी इसमें हम और depth and और shadows देंगे. So we'll top it up with some darkest shade of browns on the outer corners. So basically outer corners में हम darkest color रखते हैं. जैसे जैसे हम towards the inner corner आते हैं, we try to use lighter products. So I'm using a golden color here. I will also use this color to highlight my inner corners of the eyes and my brow bone. After you use the darker color on your lower lash, take one neutral color and smudge everything out so that it's very blended and to prevent the harsh lines. So this will be a perfectly smoked out look. And just as I told you that I'll be using the same golden to highlight my inner corners and my brow bone. Now the eyes are almost done except the mascara and my false lashes. So before that I'll come to my eyebrows. This is my absolutely favorite product from My Glam. It's a powder, brow powder. So just begin from the end. Eyebrow के tail से start करिए and then curl your lashes to get the best effect from your mascara. If you guys remember, few days back I posted a reel on Instagram about the eyelash curler and my blue mascara from Kiko Milano. Remember? This mascara is from My Glam, and the best part about this is that it can be twisted. Just wait, I'll show it to you. So that's a super cute thing. It can be twisted and then it is super easy to color your lower lashes. Trust me, this makes your mascara game really quick and easy. Now this is again very interesting trick that use a loose powder to clean any fallout on your under eyes and just clean the edges of your eyeshadow. This will make your eyeshadow look really neat. I'll quickly put my lipstick. If you want to learn the right application of a long-lasting smudge-proof lipstick, then check my Insta Reels and other videos on YouTube. If you recreate this look, do not forget to tag me or DM me a picture on Instagram. This is my Instagram handle, and see you in the next video.